and welcome to another episode of Other Buys. Today we've got another watch review on unboxing, and excitingly we've got a G-SHOCK by Casio. Not done a G-SHOCK yet. This is the first G-SHOCK I'm going to own. So it's a GA-2100-1AER, most commonly referred to as the GA-2100. And this retails for around about £100. And this is what you get in the box. And then inside, the watch comes in this case of an international warranty card if you're an international buyer, whereas if you're in Europe, the warranty is covered in this leaflet. So enough about the boring warranty card. We're not interested in that, are we? So the little case it comes in, manual, various languages, like bedtime reading. Now the actual watch, the reason we're all here. The tag. There you go, some of the features. Shock resistant, 20 bar water resistance, double LED, stopwatch, world time, daily alarm, and a timer. So it comes wrapped as plastic to protect it. And foam. So this is a 42mm watch. I mean, I love it. Comes in different colours. I went for the black with the silver hands. I was thinking about all black, but decided on this one in the end. So you've got your light button up here. Let's see if I can get the ring light out. Can you see that? Yeah. Brilliant. I mean, I love it. Different modes. I'm assuming that stopwatch comes on here. Just a little bit. Alarm, time, greeting. Oh, I'm gonna have to read the manual for some of this. No idea. Just button, light, mode, start. Just we pop it on the wrist so you can see what it looks like. I've got quite a small wrist, so bear that in mind. I think it's about 6.25 my wrist. Get the thing on. It's the pressure of the video. There we go. Who knew you'd have to practice putting on a watch? There you go. Move the camera slightly, you can see it. So that's what it looks like on my wrist. 46.25, just about fits. And the good thing about a black watch is they look smaller on your wrist. So yeah, a Casio GA-2100. If you like this video, please like it, follow us, subscribe, and check us out on all the other socials. So we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Threads, Lemonade. So yeah, follow us on there and have a look at our other YouTube videos. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you got any comments, pop them below. Any questions, and I'll get back to you. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.